Good morning, students. So, in this lesson, where we are studying chapter number 1, Basic Concepts in Geometry, we are going to see what is postulate and theorem, and we are also going to prove one of the theorem. Okay, we all know there was one mathematician, okay, Greek mathematician known as Euclid. Okay, he was the one who has developed geometry, this particular subject, and this subject is also called as Euclidean geometry. Okay, so he had contributed in a very vast manner in this particular subject called geometry. Okay, so what he said, that anything which can be self explained, okay, any particular property, okay, geometrical property which can be explained, which are self explanatory, are called as postulates. okay, जिससे प्रूफ की जरूरत नहीं है, जिसे हम सिर्फ देख के ऑब्जर्व करके बता सकते हैं, वो हमारे क्या होते हैं, postulates होते हैं. Okay, which are self explanatory, and with the help of postulates we can prove certain things, we can derive certain new properties, and those properties which are derived with the help of postulates are called as theorems. उसे ही हम क्या बोलते हैं, theorems बोलते हैं. और theorems क्या होते हैं, these are the statements or these are the properties which are proved logically. इसके पीछे एक लॉजिक होता है, एक आर्ग्यूमेंट होता है, जिसकी मदद से हम लोग इसे प्रूफ करते हैं. ओके, सो थ्योरम को प्रूफ करने के दो तरीके हैं, एक है डायरेक्ट मेथड और दूसरा है इनडायरेक्ट मेथड. डायरेक्ट मेथड में हम लोग एक प्रॉपर प्रूविंग आर्ग्यूमेंट लेते हैं. ओके, और वो आर्ग्यूमेंट की मदद से हम लोग पर्टिकुलर थ्योरम को सॉल्व करते हैं, जैसा कि हम लोग इस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल में आज देखने वाले हैं. और इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में क्या किया जाता है, अजम्पशंस किए जाते हैं, एंड आफ्टर टेकिंग द अजम्पशंस, प्रूविंग द अजम्पशंस, वी find out the theorem which is true or not. Okay, so now the given part of the theorem is called as antecedent. The given part of the theorem is called as antecedent, and the part which is going to be proved, okay, it is called as consequent. Okay, it is called as consequence. Now there is one theorem which we are going to prove. What is the statement? The opposite angles formed by two intersecting lines are of equal measures. So what is the theorem? So if there are two lines, okay, line 1 and line 2, okay, so intersection of these two lines is going to give us angles, and four angles. Okay, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So all four angles are there. And what is the statement? What does theorem tell us? It said us that the opposite angles, so this angle and this angle and this particular angle and this particular angle, both the angles, though both the pairs of angles are equal to each other. So we have to prove this logically. Okay, so what we will do, first we will write the given. Okay, it is important, and whatever we are going to write in the given, it will be our antecedent. Okay, so what is given? That AB is intersecting DC at point O. We will write line AB intersects line CD at point O. Okay, now what we have to prove? So we have to write down the two proof. We have to prove that this angle and this angle are equal, and this these two pairs of angles are equal. So we will write two proof. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Okay, and also we have to prove that angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Okay, so we will take first proof now. Okay, whatever we are going to write in this part, proof part, it will be called as consequent. Okay, so we will take angle AOC plus angles BOC. Angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so this angle and this angle, the sum of these two angles is going to equal to 180 degree. It will be equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? That both the angles are in a linear pair. So angles are in a linear pair. So linear एंगल्स. ओके, दीज आर लीनियर एंगल्स. ये दोनों भी एंगल जो है वो एक लाइन के ऊपर एक पॉइंट पे फॉर्म हुए हैं, तो दोनों भी एंगल का जो एडिशन होगा वो हमारा क्या होगा, 180 डिग्री होगा, क्योंकि दोनों भी एंगल क्या है, लीनियर पेयर्स है, लीनियर पेयर्स ऑफ एंगल्स है. सो ये हमारा इक्वेशन क्या होगा, इक्वेशन 1 हो गया. ओके, नाउ वी विल टेक दिस एंगल एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर एंगल. सो एंगल BOC प्लस एंगल BOD. ओके, सो एंगल BOC plus angle BOD, it is also equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? The reason is same, the angles are in linear pair. So linear angles. Okay, so now this is equation number 2. Okay, so as you can see in equation 1, the right hand side have 180 degree. In equation 2 also, on the right hand side 180 degree is there. So as both the right hand sides of the equation are equal, therefore the left hand side also equal. So we will take from equation 1 and equation 2, right hand sides are equal, so therefore left hand sides are also equal. So we will take therefore angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle BOC plus angle BOD. Okay, now in the left hand side BOC is there, and in the right hand side also BOC is there, so this is going to be eliminated. Okay, so angle BOC get eliminated. We get therefore angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Okay, this is what we have to prove. Angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. In the similar way, we can prove angle AOD is equal to angle COB. So we can write similarly angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Okay. So hence we can write that the theorem is proved. So hence proved. Okay, so in this way we have proved this theorem. In this theorem, whatever data is given, it is called as antecedent, and whatever we have proof, okay, we have taken the logical argument, that logical argument is called as consequent. Okay, so your homework is going to be, you have to write down this particular given theorem in your notebook. In the next lecture we will see the practice set 1.3. okay, thank you.